Hi everyone, welcome back to Wiccatdesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Beach Please water bottle decal using adhesive vinyl. This is such a fun summer craft project, and it's perfect for water bottles, tumblers, cold cups, or even beach trip gifts. For this tutorial, I'm using a pink water bottle and a colorful layered vinyl design with a palm tree, sun, hearts, waves, and the words Beach Please. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a water bottle, permanent adhesive vinyl, transfer tape, a weeding tool, a scraper tool, scissors, rubbing alcohol or an alcohol wipe. My Beach Please SVG design. I recommend using permanent adhesive vinyl for water bottles because it holds up better than removable vinyl. First, upload your Beach Please SVG file into your cutting software. I'm using the color layer version for this project, so each color will cut separately. You can also use the single color version if you want a quicker and simpler decal. Next, resize the design to fit your water bottle. For a slim bottle like this, I like to keep the design tall and not too wide, so it wraps nicely around the curved surface. A good size is usually around 3 inches wide or around 5 to 6 inches tall, depending on your bottle. Before cutting, always measure your bottle first so the decal doesn't end up too big. Now it's time to cut the vinyl. Place your adhesive vinyl on the cutting mat with the color side facing up. Make sure you do not mirror the design. Mirroring is only for heat transfer vinyl, and for this project we're using adhesive vinyl. Choose your vinyl setting, load the mat into your machine and start cutting. Because this is a layered design, I'll cut each color separately. Once everything is cut, carefully weed away the extra vinyl. I like to start with the bigger outside pieces first, and then move into the smaller details. Be careful around the script word beach, the palm leaves, the little hearts, and the small wave details. Take your time here, because small details can lift if you go too fast. Before applying the decal, clean the bottle with rubbing alcohol or an alcohol wipe. This removes dust, oil, and fingerprints so the vinyl can stick properly. After cleaning, let the bottle dry completely. This step is really important, especially for water bottles that will be handled a lot. Now place transfer tape over the vinyl decal. Use your scraper tool to burnish the front and back of the design. This helps the vinyl stick to the transfer tape. Slowly peel the backing away and check that all the vinyl pieces are lifting correctly. When it's real hot, whether your vial can be harder to work with. This was one of these hot summer nights. Now, line up the decal on the front of the bottle. Because the bottle is curved, I like to place the center of the design down first and then smooth outward. Press slowly and firmly with your scraper tool. Don't rush this part. Curved surfaces can be a little tricky, so work from the middle toward the edges to help prevent bubbles or wrinkles. Once the decal is firmly pressed down, slowly peel away the transfer tape. Peel it back at an angle instead of pulling straight up. If any piece of vinyl starts to lift, just lay the transfer tape back down and burnish it again. After the transfer tape is removed, gently press over the decal one more time to make sure all edges are stuck down. I recommend letting the vinyl cure for at least 24 hours before washing or using the bottle heavily. For best results, hand wash only and avoid soaking the bottle. I love how this turned out on the pink bottle. The aqua, baby pink, yellow, and purple colors give it such a cute summer beach look. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Cricut, vinyl, ScanNCut, and craft tutorials. You can find the Beach Please SVG design in my shop, and I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!